Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Code Switch in 2020. Today we continue with our physical sciences, looking at circuit. This will be our question number 6. Please pause the video as usual. Try the question and come back and check the solution. Today's question is as follows. In the following circuit, the battery has an amp of 20 volts and 0.82 ohm internal resistance and switch S. The questions are: number A, determine the reading on the ammeter. Number B, calculate the power output of the 3 ohm resistor. Then the last question, will the power output of the 3 ohm resistor increase or decrease when the switch S is open? Explain your answer. Let's look at our circuit. In our circuit, we are given the battery with 20 volts and internal resistor of 0.2 ohm. The ammeter is connected and we have 3 ohm resistor and 8 ohm resistors which are connected in parallel, and switch S. Then the 2 resistors are connected in series with 7 ohm. Let's calculate the first solution. It said determine the reading on the ammeter. For us to determine the reading on the ammeter gives us the total current that flows in the circuit. So we need the total resistance of the circuit. Since we see that we had 2 resistors that are connected in parallel, we need to start by calculating the parallel resistor first. This will be 1 over R parallel is given by 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2. This will be equal to, let's say R1 is 3 ohm resistor. This will be 1 over 3 plus 1 over 8. Therefore, R parallel will be given by, you punch on your calculator, open brackets, 1 over 3 plus 1 over 8, close brackets, all to the exponent of -1. And your answer will be, total resistor in parallel will be 2.18. Since you got the total resistor in parallel, total resistance of the circuit will be 2.18 plus the 7 ohm resistor plus 0.82 ohm of the internal resistance. Therefore, our total resistor will be given by 2.18 plus 0.82 is 3 plus 7 is 10 ohm. Meaning the ammeter reading will be given by the amp over the total resistor. Our amp is 20 volts divided by 10 ohm, which give us 2 amperes. This is our total current. Let's look at the second question. Second question says calculate the power output of the 3 ohm resistor. So for us to be able to calculate the power output, let's say the power is given by V squared over R. So we need the voltage of the parallel circuit. So we know that the voltage in a parallel circuit are the same. So meaning the voltage through the 3 ohm and the voltage through the 8 ohm resistors are the same. So meaning the voltage that will flow through 3 ohm resistor will be the same as the voltage that flows through the parallel circuit. And voltage is given by the current multiplied by total resistor in parallel. Our current we calculated, we got 2. Our total resistor in parallel was 2,18. Therefore, the voltage that flows through the 3 ohm resistor will be 4,36 volt. volt. Then if we have the voltage, we can calculate the power. The power, I said, is given by V squared over R. The voltage through the 3 ohm resistor, this will be 4,36 squared divided by 3. Therefore, the power will be given by 6,34 watts. This is the power that flows through 3 ohm resistor. Let's look at the last question. Question number C. They said, will the power output of the 3 ohm resistor increase or decrease when the switch S is open? Explain. Remember on number B, the power output of 3 ohm resistor, we got 6,34. If the switch is open, meaning there's no current that is flowing through the 8 ohm resistor. So what's going to happen to the potential difference? The voltage that will flow through the 3 ohm resistor will be IR, which is the 2 ohm multiplied by 3 ohm, which is 6 volts. It means that the resistance of the parallel circuit have increased if we have removed the 8 ohm. It has increased because of from resistance of parallel we got 2,18. Now the resistance became 3. So meaning if it is 3, also the potential difference have increased. And according to our equation of power, power is given by V squared over R. An increase in the voltage of 3 ohm resistor will cause the power of the 3 ohm resistor to also increase because of the resistance remains the same. The resistance remains the same, which was constant. The resistance remains the same, which is constant. That will be all for today. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please go to Code Switching 2020.